Okay, here we have a range forming above an ignored supply, which is now a flip zone demand. We have price already hit the support resistance on this, and it wants to go up to the origin up above here. So a trade with very low risk and pretty high probability is the Quasimodo. It's an engulf and a retrace. Now, here you see we have an engulf of these highs, and with that you'd imagine price wants to get up to the origin of the move. The origin of the move is up here. You can see that there's a break of this demand and a failure to return after an engulf of this whole supply area. The FTR is the target for any longs there. It is the origin of the move. So we can put a box there. Let's see what history it's got. Okay, so here's the origin of the move down after an engulf here. That's what you'd expect price to hit. So we'll move it along. It looks like price is going deep here. And where do you look for longs on this? Well, you see we had a low there, and then we had our fake out of the low. So at this Quasimodo level here is actually a good place to buy. So you'd have a stop loss of 43 pips on this. If you're to put on 2% of your account on a 10,000 account, then that is basically half a lot per pip. So we'll put a pending order there on. Half a lot on there at 1.5271 with stop loss beneath. And with this, you have a very strong supply here, and you know price is going to bounce there. There is where you want price to go to ultimately, but you could give yourself a headache for watching price try to break this. So perhaps here is a good place to take profit on it. So let's see what happens. Price hits the Quasimodo line. Take profit. $1.6274. Let's see what price does. And hits it. Actually breaks this supply. And what have we got? A nice, very low risk. We risked $200 and we made $5,008.60. So very, very high return on that. You risk 2% on the account and you make 50% on the account. Very, very nice. Does price actually hit our supply in the end? Hit the origin of the move? Retraces down. Down to this flag limit that got broken here. and hits the origin of the move. Very nice.